Good evening friends, I'm Santosh Kumar Shetty from Spider Software. This video is to educate you how the option data and the Bank Nifty levels can help you out to identify the trade with minimum risk with a maximum reward with a less number of trades using Spider. So let us go to the market of today's intraday market of Bank Nifty and identify the trades using the indicators, oscillators and option data. Today we have seen the comparative open interest chart in this in the Spider and Bank Nifty. I kept the action reply. I am removing the suspend. The data starts. It's showing you the live data from 9:15. Today is the date of 4th January. The day starts. The Bank Nifty opened at 480, 31,480. It was a clear cut gap up. It's a spot level. This is the box which help you to understand the live option data reading in Spider. Near month contract I kept it, call I kept it, active today I kept it. I don't want data more than 2% from spot price. I kept the 2%. So as usual, we need to understand whenever the market starts, the first thing is to know which is the right support and right resistance for the market for intraday traders, which is very much important. Unless you don't know resistance support as per option data, you may not be able to get a right trade where the new trade can be initiated after the opening or after any range it has done. So in order to create a trade, in order to understand the resistance support, we need to understand the Bank Nifty OI chain data. Market started, people started participating. We'll wait till 9:25. We will increase the speed of the derivatives to 9:25 so that at least a few trades can be done. We can understand the participation and OI levels after 9:25. So data came till 9:22. Now 9:23, 9:24, 9:25, 9:24, 9:25. No, okay, I'm suspending it and keeping 1. Now data got generated. Now market was opened at 5:40. 5:40. In the future it gone high. So now it's time of 9:25. Resistance always be above the open. Opening is 450. I'm going to the call. I'm seeing the OTM call. The IS2I participation was happening around 31,500. So 500 is the resistance. I'm going into the call in the money. Support is 300, around 300, 200. So the market support and resistance we identified, and we added the two resistance above 500 and 600 call and 200 and 300 puts in the OI data. Right. So when the market opens, the market was trading at 500. It means it is trading nearer to the resistance, right? And support was around 300. Let us increase the speed of little bit to 9:45, 9:40 to initiate to identify the trade. The market start 9:30 adjustment is done. The market got a sudden spike after around 9:30 candle. It made a high of 580. So mostly it came nearer to the resistance. Then if you go towards the option data participation, we are clearly seeing the 500 call. If you see here, 31,600 call and 31,200 put is leading the market. 31,600 call and 31,200 put is leading the market. Early morning adjustment is done. Then after, based upon the price action behavior, we need to identify still the markets are able to make up new highs, or it will have a consolidation, or it can fall. These three scenarios will be emerged after 9:30 adjustment. So after 9:30 we see 31,600 call is leading, 200 put is leading. So the price is been raised, call and put call was leading. After 9:30, by seeing the body language of the price action, we can conclude about the expected trend for the next 2 hours. So I've increased the speed of the Bank Nifty. Now the data is 9:38. After 9:30 the price is slowly making lower lows. price is slowly making lower lows. Still all indicators on the positive side, trend is also on the positive side, but is it a resistance zone? 600 call, if 600 call is leading, 200 put is also leading. So after 9:30, we, if in next 45 minutes, if the stock is not able to, Bank Nifty not making the lower lows, then it can say that it can be on the range bound. Already calls are leading. Then we can have one more rally towards the breakout rally above 600. But let us see. The time is not 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. The stock is not making the higher highs. It is in the range. If this range breaks, the structure will become the lower low structure after 9:30. So the Bank Nifty around 10 o'clock. Now it's around 10. Now it's around 10. Structure is that it tried to make one higher high. Again it got selling pressure over there. It made a new low, which is being formed after 9:30, and we need to understand the structure from here. After breaking the new low, we need to understand how the candles are forming. The price is slowly confirming us that it's been failure to make an higher high structure. Once it is done the new low, it is being confirmed some weakness. It has done the 30 to 40 minutes ranging. So data is also saying that people are leading in the calls and 31,200. So it's clearly showing that the price is, the participants may be showing interest that if this lower low structure continues, 600 call we're shorting and 200 put we're seeing this the next support for the market to keep on the trend. Support with 200. So as another market breaks around this lower low structure of 540, we have clearly seen there was a correction. Let us see the body language of the market after touching that level. So around 10:30, 11, around in this case, there is lower low structure in the lower time frame. So data is also showing that the 600 call was leading. So let us see the price action. Slowly the lower low structure is formed on the lower time frame. As a trader, it initiates that the trend became weak because of the lower low structure confirmed in the lower time frame. Any further breakdowns will have a corrections, and upside is capped at 600. I increase the speed now around 1040. So next 2 to 3 hours can be in the range of, so the market has suddenly got a breakdown towards 200 support, and this breakdown was continued towards further levels also in aggressive manner within a less time frame, within a span of 15-20 minutes. So that's how you can plan you can able to understand the option data, and you can plan the trades using the option data reading and this thing. And Spider is the application which makes you things more informative and bringing all the information at one end to enhance your trading structures and plan your further trades or enhance your knowledge. So thanking you guys for listening my video. If you